So on last episode, after striking out time and time again, we finally struck gold and got our hands on the gold metallic ones. Thanks to getting early access through the sneakers app, we were able to take our initial $170 investment and turn it into $300 after we found a buyer and sold the shoes. We ended up selling the shoes and now we got something nice to go ahead and start with. So after episode 2, I made a poll and I asked if y'all thought I should use a bot or if I should just do it the old-fashioned way and do it manual. And the mass majority of y'all said, bro, no bots. All right, so I am really upset. Me not listening to my subs and also not knowing what I was doing. I accidentally bought like $300 worth of stuff that I do not need and was not going for. These Funko Pop dolls, I don't really know what those are. I've seen them a couple places. And then I got some kids Fire Red 4s. I'm gonna try to send them back. Hopefully they let me send them back, but you know, that's what it's about, man. I'm just documenting the process, bro. Giving y'all the real. And the real is that I didn't listen to y'all and I ended up taking about a $300 L right now. So, man, that's definitely gonna delay me a little bit, but man, let's see where we go from here. All right, so my first mistake has arrived. We finna go open it up. While these are a complete mistake, I do enjoy unboxing shoes, and I'd be lying to you if I said I didn't. So, let's see what we got. Got the retro box. It's a pretty icy. If you can fit them. All right, so now we taking these bad babies back to the mall. Taking these bad babies back to the mall, cause yeah, that was an accident. All right, so I learned my lesson. That was a sign that I definitely should have listened to y'all. Now, as you've seen, I was able to return the other shoes for my money back, but as far as the dolls, I'm pretty much stuck with them. The company is basically gonna send me through so many hula hoops to return them and get my money back, and then I'm not even gonna get all my money back. That headache is not worth the $120 loss that I took. So I will personally eat that loss. It's not gonna come out of the challenge's money, and we still have $300 to play with. Let that be a lesson though. Do not go jumping into something without knowing exactly how it works or how to operate it. All right, then we got some good releases coming up, bro. We got the Bread Yeezys, the J Balvins, Stussy Air Force Ones, the Jubilees. So we bound to hit on something, bro. So I'm excited about where this challenge is going. Let's get it. All right, so we up early in the morning. We're going for these Yeezy 350 breads. And if you don't know about the 350 breads, bro, these is like probably the most hyped 350. You know what I mean? So we definitely going for these. Wish me luck. Please, we need these. Our pot can get so big off these. These easily reselling for like 400. So let's get in there and do it. Bro, we definitely stuck out on the Yeezys, bro. I don't know, we might have to take the department store route, bro. Seems like if you don't have a bot, cannot cop, bro. All right, so today we're going for the J Balvins. They really only drop it on the sneaker app, it looks like, and they are very limited, so I'm more than likely gonna strike out. But I'm always gonna try. So let's see if we can hit on the J Balvins, man. Yeah, so we definitely took an L on the J Balvins. On a release like that though, honestly, you can't even expect much. Simply because the stock is super limited. I mean, you can tell just by the resale prices. I mean, they're north of $500 easily. And even though I knew I wasn't gonna hit on these, it still hurt. Because it really just hit me like, bro, it really is hard to hit releases manually, bro. Nevertheless, we still had the Jubilee 11s to look forward to, or even the Stussy Air Force Ones if we don't hit on those. Either way, it was not looking good. All right, bro. So honestly, I'm gonna just keep it real. If I don't hit on these, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now, the Jubilee 11s are dope, but I don't feel like they're as hyped as they should be, but I feel like I should still be able to hit a profit if I do. Now, keeping it real, I've never hit a pair of 11s in my life. Not the Space Jams, not the Cool Grades, none of them. So it ain't looking real good for me. Not very confident, but you know how we do. We're gonna give it our all and we're gonna go for it. So let's see what happens. So boom, I got the email from DTLR confirming my order. We definitely hit on the Jubilee 11s in a size 8. So the total was $238.15. And so now we just got $61 chilling over to the side. So the Jubilee 11s are here and they come in a pretty cool box. Let's get these open. Oh man, these are hard. Very hard, bruh. Now, when I first hit on them, the resale value of them in a size 8, the resale was around $280 and they were going for that like all day, which honestly wouldn't have even been a bad deal for me. Problem is that it took the entirety of that 5 to 7 business days to get to me, bro. So now they've kind of crept down a little bit. They're sitting at about 260, and honestly, I have them listed for that much, but I do anticipate them to continue to fall because more and more releases are coming out, and there's not as much demand around this shoe as I thought there would be. However, don't think you were gonna find out if I sold them on this episode. If you're interested in sneaker reselling or sneaker botting, check out one of these videos above. Also, if you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for following this journey along with me. Let's attack this Monday. Let's get it.